Decided not to. Her argument to you was you did not ask for symptoms of a flu virus. This virus is not worm. It makes you cough, it makes you sneeze, it makes you cry. And we did all of that this week because she imbalanced something and we restabilized it. What she did today is worse because you're arguing that we can't prove that and you created your own ground zero at your parents' house. We have to argue once again host hostility. There is no host hostility. That means these people were kind of nice. It does not transfer. Anything that is stable does not acquire goods. That means as long as the host is stabilized, none of any kind of children, as you would call it, can be unstable. Do not attack us for stupidity.